Doctor, I am aware of your leading role in Afenifere. You are director of research Afenifere, and then I know you are seriously involved in this restructuring exercise campaign and all that. I know you are distributing some letters to the president, senate president, speaker, governors. Tell us 2 minutes. Tell us just a summary of what this is all about.
As I've been saying this, we need to change course in Nigeria. We're on the wrong course. President Tinubu said he was interested in economics when Petros went to visit him some time ago. That is not interested in politics. We are now trying to draw his attention that the silver bullet to cure Nigerian problems is political restructuring. And Afenifere, for which I'm director of research, unified, no faction. Afenifere, Lekki, Adebanjo, Afenifere, Papa of Akure, Senator Opomu, all of us, we are united now on this single cause that Nigeria ought to be restructured. All persons who want should be given the space to exercise the autonomy of governance. In our own mind, we want to withdraw from under the 1999 Constitution. We are not going to use force. We are not going to declare secession. All we are saying through civilized reasoning is that we want to be enabled to be taken out of the umbrella of 1999 Constitution. We want to have our own subsidiary constitution. We have drafted what it is, how we want to govern ourselves in Yorubaland. We want to be given that liberty to have that autonomy. What we have in Nigeria now is like you have a street, no fence, everybody is living. But since there's so much armed robbery everywhere, we want to fence our own area and put a gate there. If you are coming, you want to know where you are coming from. Let everybody be allowed to do their own fencing too, so that they can run their own affairs the way they like. So we have put a document together now. It's been delivered to the Senate President, to the Speaker House of Reps, to the Chief Justice, because 3 arms of government, they need to work in concert to agree for 3 things. We want them to agree that there should be subsidiary constitution separate from 1999 Constitution. Simple. So that we can have our own subsidiary constitution. People have been talking about subsidiary constitution. No. What you want is 1954 Little Constitution that gave the regions the freedom to do what they want in their own territory.
Number 2, sir. What's the second?
Number 2, 68 items of the exclusive list, we want it to be decentralized so that schools, hospitals, roads, if you come to Abuja to do roads. The third one we're asking for is to consult to have referendum modality. That's how Cameroon, West Cameroon move away. Sadana province moved to Nigeria. Ask the people. So we, the elites of Yorubaland, are saying, this is what we want. Allow us to ask the people.
Now, Doctor, let me ask this question.
Referendum.
Let me ask this question. I've heard you, and I'm sure Nigerians are listening. But what you're saying, even in your oral delivery now, is it not a recipe for anarchy? Because if the East, of course, the East has been agitating for, secession.
Yeah, TV.
Hold on, sir. The East has been going on about this for long. Are you not, number one question, are you not going to plunge the Yoruba, enclave, Southwest, into what is going on in the South? But the important question for me actually is, what about the Middle Belt Forum? The Arewa, even though they don't have, they just have Arewa for Northeast and Northwest. But this entire issue about restructuring, devolution, is it not just a recipe for anarchy?
No. Because viewers should be aware. There are so many things happening in Nigeria, people don't know. There's a body called the Rebirth Group. They've held 6 zonal town hall meetings. The last one is going on in Jos as we are talking now. Most of the people in the Middle Belt are in Jos to discuss how they want to run their own affairs. The document we have produced for Yorubaland, we have circulated it to others. We want them to copy the same. In Yorubaland, we have 6 states. But it will be 8 states because Yoruba of Kogi, Yoruba of Kwara, they are Yorubas. But we are not. Ask them. If they want to stay in Kwara, they want to stay in Kogi, we ask them. Once you have referendum, you ask them. It's voluntary. It's not by force. We want Shekuris. If they agree, they move. They don't, they stay. Then in Yoruba land, We will do a referendum to find out. We are 26 entities in Yorubaland. Osun, Ogun, they are artificial creations. Ijesha is Ijesha. Oyo is Oyo, Ibadan is Ibadan, Egba is Egba, Ilaje is Ilaje. Is it not true? Ekiti is Ekiti. Each of these ones have their own territory. And they have different dialects apart from the common Yoruba. Actually, we should be 26 units, entities in Yorubaland. And we're going to organize along that way in a federation where each Ijesha man is Ijesha man in his own territory. Ekiti man is Ekiti woman in his own territory. Egba is Egba. Ijebu states, they are free to create Ijebu, which they want. Don't constrict people to just be in prison. You padlock them, no. Even in Yorubaland, we're going to free ourselves. Ijeshas will meet with Ijebu. There will be Ijebu Ijesha. Freely, not constricted. And Ijeshas are not part of Osun. Ijeshas are different from the rest of Osun. It's a fact. We are going to have that conversation in Yorubaland. It has started now.
Let me ask you these two questions as we round up finally on these two questions. What is your hope? What gives you hope or confidence that this letter and all these, processes, what gives you confidence that it will receive positive feedback from the powers that...
You are not expect, you see, I'm a Christian. The wall of Jericho in the Bible did not just fall down. People have to come out to say they danced around the wall several times, making loud noise. From today, the noise has begun. Because letters are going to be delivered today to this part that we will not go to keep quiet. We're going to... Good things don't come easy. Some people are benefiting from where we are now. They will not give up. The governor want to be second term, but they will serve their term, but no more new term for any governor again. So I'm appealing to this medium. We're going to do more. We're going to have series of symposium across the Southwest for the next 3 to 6 months. And it's not that restructuring will be just switch on the light. No. It will take 2-3 years. We've drafted our own constitution now, but it's not yet accepted by the people. We have to give it out. Let the Igbo do them. Let the judge do them. Let me do better. Agree. It's something that we are consulting. Don't forget that Afenifere is now the chairman of the Southern Middle Belt Leadership Forum.
Final question, Doctor. I had the president of the Middle Belt Forum here, Dr. Opogu Beatrice.
Yeah.
He was sitting right here last week.
Yeah.
The summary of everything he said, that the problems that Nigeria is facing is because of the 1999 constitution, which in his own words is a Sharia constitution. True. He said the word Sharia is mentioned something times, Islam is mentioned this time. And I argued with him stridently that, to my mind, the major problem of this country can be reduced to misgovernance, wicked, ungodly governance. Do you agree with him or with me? Who do you agree with?
No, there's a tool. If you are doing something wrong, you have a tool. You can use pen to steal. You can use gun to kill. Is it not? You need a tool to do anything. Sharia and religion is a tool that aids people who want to misgovern the country. They will say, the same way the Fulani took over the Hausa land. They say, we are more religious, we are more Islamic than you. You are infidels, we can conquer you. So any tool is available to misgovern if you are not fair-minded and you are not civilized. Dr. Pogu is correct. Whoever wants to do Sharia, they are free now. Yorubas have come out to say, we don't want Sharia. We are Muslim and family. We live together. Political Sharia, we don't want. We don't want. And it's clear. But the bottom line is that freedom of thought, freedom of behavior, freedom of association, let decentralize Nigeria. We understand Nigerian state. Nigeria is a good symbol, but let everybody fence his own area. You live in your house now. I don't know what you ate this morning. I live in my house. You don't know what I ate, what I've not eaten at all. But we are both looking good here. That's when Nigeria comes. We will meet in Abuja, and each area will be treated equally, and we'll be friends. In our constitution now, there's reciprocity clause. If you are living in Yoruba land, fine. Your people, where do they give Yoruba the same rights as you're asking? If you have protocol agreement, fine. Everything discussion, but we are just straitjacketed by 1999. We are in prison. We are emasculated. We are shackled. Because some Yorubas are also benefiting from oil money and borrowed funds to run Abuja. We are saying we don't want money from oil again. We don't want it. We will live without oil money. I know that for sure. We shall live.
Some will argue, Doctor, that they don't practice Sharia in the southern part. And misgovernance, corruption, bad leadership is rampant in the southern part.
The umbrella of 1999 allows you. The umbrella, when we cut our own umbrella out, yes, we'll do things differently. Once things are different, somebody like me now can run in Ijesha land. I'm Ijesha. People will know my Fapounda name. Yes. On that basis, I will stay in Abuja, they come and call me. And they say, I don't want. They have to come and call me because they know what I'm able to do. I will not start spending money now to run for Senate in Yorubaland. No. They will come and call me. Last year, they called me to come and president of Elisha Grammar School, old student. I said, Abuja is too far. I don't want to. Because they're looking for good candidates. When that regime comes, we will be outside Nigeria. 1999 constitution. We will have our own. It's drafted. It's ready. But we have to educate Yorubas to see the merit too. Because some people, they don't know what they want. That is it. That is it.